Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling auto pause workouts on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With this setting enabled, your watch will automatically pause your workout when you stop moving. This can be helpful if you tend to forget to pause your workout when you take a break. This setting only works with running and outdoor cycling workouts. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down settings and tap workout. Then scroll down and tap auto pause. Then tap the toggle to the right of auto pause. When the toggle is green, your watch will auto pause workouts. When grey, it will not. You can also scroll down and tap the toggles to the right of the individual workouts to turn auto pause on or off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.